And there they are with Movistar.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Movistar are underway. Andre Amador, the first Costa Rican winner of the Giro d'Italia. This is Essex Quickstep. Tom Bonen, Mikel Kwiatkowski, Yves Lampaert, Tony Martin, Niki Terpstra and Rigoberto Urán. Essex Quickstep then underway. Now the defending champions with a slightly changed team. Taylor Phinney wants to be cheered around this course. That's what he said to me yesterday. I want to feel the energy of the United States cheering us on all around the course, and Taylor Phinney has asked them to give him a little bit more. Let's get an indication now of how Tinkoff Saxo are doing at this second intermediate time split, the fastest time. Oh, a big crash. Tinkoff Saxo. Two of the riders hit the deck, and now they have a big problem out on the course. Then look at this. Essex Quickstep arrive at the first intermediate time split, and they go quickest. And it looks like this is going to be very fast indeed. They go through, and what is the time for BMC Racing Team? 10:43.32. Are they going to set the standard? They look very good indeed. The fastest time to this point, 19 minutes 10.98 by Essex Quickstep. They look like they're going to beat it, and they're going to beat it by some margin. BMC Racing Team now heading towards that split, and they are the only team underneath 19 minutes, 18 minutes and 58 seconds. Movistar punching towards the finish line now. It's a long finishing straight after you come over that little rise. It really hurts. They are going to be the first team underneath 43 minutes. Movistar are going to set the standard now for the medals as they head towards the conclusion of this time trial. It is Movistar who go top of the leaderboard, 42.38.08. The arrival of Essex Quickstep, twice the world champions. The time to beat now, 42.38.08. This is going to be an immense time. This is going to be the fastest time for Essex Quickstep. They are now only a few hundred meters from the line. Tony Martin, the multiple world champion of the individual time trial, motoring his way towards the finish. Four riders intact. They look good. They're sprinting for it. They're going to be the first team under 43 minutes. New best time, 42.19.32. BMC Racing Team. Rowan Dennis looks across. He gives them a final shout. The time to beat of Essex Quickstep, 42.19.32. They're in the finishing straight. This looks like it is going to be gold for BMC Racing Team. The United States of America. Taylor Phinney is going to take a gold medal in the World Championships in Richmond 30 years after they were last here. They now put on the power, 42.19.32. They are going to do it. BMC Racing Team are going to defend their title. Taylor Phinney is going to lead them across the line. This is what dreams are made of. BMC Racing Team win the gold medal, 42.07.97. What an absolutely stunning performance by BMC Racing Team. Taylor Phinney wins a world title in his return World Championships a few weeks ago. He didn't even think he would be here. Rowan Dennis, the Australian, leading across the line with Taylor Phinney. Danielos as well. They all congratulate each other. What an absolutely incredible win.